Hello, my name is Jeremy of the Computer Science Course Assistants, and today I'll be showing you how to use tables in HTML and CSS. So you'll see that I actually already have a table example right here. We're going to go ahead and pop that in here, and you'll see at the very top we have all of our styling for our table. And when we scroll down here, we'll have our actual table. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. We'll pop that into here. And you'll see it's a table for first, middle, and last names. And you'll see that it's all sectioned off into rows, table rows. So right here, here, and here. So one set's this top one, the middle one, and then the very bottom one. So let's go ahead and we'll make a new table row down here. So you'll start by making the first table row tag, and then ending the table row. And then in between, we can go ahead and put our table data. So let's call this one Bobby. Go ahead and end that table data tag. Go ahead and start another one for the middle name. And we'll put Jimmy. And for the last name, we'll go ahead and put Jones. We'll go ahead and save this now. Reload this, and you'll see that it put in our new row down here, Bobby Jimmy Jones. So now if we go up here, I can show you that we can adjust some of the settings with our table here. So right here with the border, if we change this from 1 pixel to 2 pixels, the border will become thicker. So now if we come over here, we can change this width to 50%. And it'll make all of these boxes a little bit wider. And if we come down here, we can change the text align for our table heading. We can go ahead and put left align. And when we reload this, first name, middle name, and last name will become left align. And we can do the opposite here for our table data. We can put text align right. And all of the names in here will become right aligned. And those are just a few things you can do with your tables in HTML and CSS. This has been Jeremy. Thank you for watching.